Hey, what's up guys? This is Cole with CJC Off-Road. We have a super cool build here that we're featuring for you guys. Last time we posted a dually on this channel, everyone was super stoked with the build and we received a lot of commentary. So by chance we had this dually come through our shop last week. So we had the opportunity to go ahead and film it for you guys to showcase what in my opinion is one of my favorite dualies we've actually ever had come through the shop. So what we have here is a 2020 Ram 3500 Air Ride Edition, or limited Air Ride model dually. This is a blackout edition. This is actually one of the very first of the blackout edition limited trucks we've had come through the shop. These are really cool because you get the nicer limited interior, you get the limited headlights, but with a black edition package, so you don't have to do a whole lot in terms of color matching or things like that to kind of round out a nice build like this. What we did here is actually custom order the shocks with Carli and King to feature black anodizing and black hoses. This is actually going to be a feature on our site. We'll be stocking these shocks. So if you see the option on our site for black anode, that is something relatively new that we're offering for all these Carli King based systems. So back to this build. This customer actually found us through this YouTube channel, so this is really cool. He actually stopped by the shop about 6 months ago and checked out some of our trucks we had on hand and went ahead and had us order this system for his truck. So just got this thing finished up. We're super excited to show it to you guys. Now, as I mentioned, this truck is an air assist model. These trucks are not necessarily known for ride quality out of the box. Being a big blackout dually with the small little tires, not particularly the best looking out of the box either. So this truck came to us, we ordered the full, it's basically almost a fully loaded system. So this is the 3 1/4 pintop air ride system for 3500s. It also included the full progressive leaf spring option in the rear with all the necessary bracketry that Carli includes. He opted for a torsion sway bar and 37 by 12.5 by 17 Toyo Open Country RT tires. So very straightforward build. Now we've covered these Air Ride 3500 systems before in other videos, which we'll feature a link to down below. But the general gist of the benefits of this system is these trucks start out basically riding horrible from the factory. Really the smallest imperfection in the road has you jumping out of the seat. When it's all said and done, the trucks ride significantly better than stock, but then these systems are also designed to retain the factory payload. So it's a super functional all-around system. To fit this setup, actually, believe it or not, we were able to retain the factory Alcoa wheels, so there's no real trimming or, it's very minor plastic trimming, so no pinch weld trimming, nothing like that. The 37 by 12.5 tires actually go lock to lock, clearing the radius arms, all that sort of thing. So super simple, super straightforward build. We actually utilized some USA-made 2-inch wheel spacers for the rear in order to allow us to keep the factory wheels. I thought these wheels were too cool to give up, being that they're the factory Alcoa aluminum wheels, both being black with a little machined accents. So Ram really gave us a great palette to work with here on these trucks, not having to really change a whole lot other than the suspension and tires with this particular build. So I think it's very impressive how this truck turned out given how simple this build really is. I could tell immediately when the customer came pick up the truck, he was absolutely blown away. We actually were too. A lot of our phone sales guys were actually out in the parking lot checking the thing out. This truck turned out absolutely killer, night and day transformation. You know, basically took advantage of what looked so good about this truck factory, but made it that much cooler. So this guy actually uses the truck to tow a boat setup with, goes back and forth to the river. He's been absolutely blown away with not only the ride quality, you know, how much better this thing rides than stock, but he's actually still fully able to take advantage of the A-ride system this truck came with from the factory and use it to tow his boat and all that sort of thing. So again, this is a great system for someone who actually bought, you know, an air ride truck to tow with, but also doesn't want to get beat up, you know, going down the road. And I think we've accomplished that with this particular build. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you guys enjoyed checking out this build as much as we enjoyed putting it together. We're, again, super thrilled with how it turned out. We have a lot more similar build features coming up in the coming weeks. And so if you guys want to see more, feel free to subscribe. Thanks for watching.